Hello everyone, just a quick disclaimer, this is a shortened version of the event. The full video is available on my private members Telegram group. For $5 a month, I offer you access to uncensored raw footage and commented breakdowns that I cannot freely share elsewhere. The money is not to make me rich but to establish a foundation to legally protect against any attacks on my efforts to bring you information the way I and you want. It will also go towards hiring staff to assist me in covering conflicts more accurately and quickly, as well as supporting victims of war, volunteers, and soldiers more discreetly. Anyone who wishes to support this cause is invited to join. The link is in the description.
יש שם שחיין! יש שם עוד אחד! יש שם עוד אחד! על ירוק 170, טווח רחוק!
Ven, putzat!